Welcome, in this course you'll learn how to create an RPG game from scratch using Unity 6, the latest version of the engine. Your player will be able to move around and attack enemies with two different weapons, a sword and a wand. To enhance the gameplay experience, we'll add visual effects like particle systems, trails and dynamic lighting to give the game a polished, professional look. You don't need any prior experience. We'll start from the basics of Unity and C#, then gradually progress into more advanced concepts such as abstract classes, C# interfaces, and events. The main idea is to build a solid foundation in Unity and C# first, and then layer on more complex games. As a result, if you finish this course, you'll have the skills and confidence to create your own games from scratch. I'm Marco Paoletta, a game developer with more than 4 years of experience. I work with Voodoo, one of the biggest mobile game companies with over 7 million downloads, taught more than 15 courses at Zenba, a platform with over 1 million learners, and built a 12,000 YouTube channel dedicated to teaching game development, all while creating my own indie games with Unity. With my combined experience in professional Unity development and teaching, I've designed this course to be both practical and engaging. You'll not only follow along, but truly understand what's happening behind the scenes. See you inside.